Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here, I want to record tutorial about radio online. So in here, we just create a project and then name it radio underscore online underscore tutorial. And after that, for app name, it will be radio online. And yeah, you just finish it. And in here, yeah, we are already in the screen. So now, for the navigation, close this. No. Okay. So next, oh yeah, don't forget to change to Samsung Galaxy S9, and then uh, we will plot background image. No, just change the background into like this, into color blue, or no, this one. Cyan, can be cyan, yeah. Yeah, around cyan or what, something like that. Okay, next after that, we will go to this one, title visible. So you unchecklist it, so it will be like this. And yeah, next, we will add some image on here. Then for, oh yeah, don't forget this align horizontal to center and align vertical to center. And for the image, we will add from outside. So let's pick the Alquran icon in this one, this application, and then bring it into the here. Then after that, you just use it. Okay, next, we'll go to layout, general, and in here there is a space over here, and for the height maybe around 25%. And next, we will put horizontal alignment, and for the width is fill, and for the height is 5%, maybe 10% enough. And next, we will add some image. So we'll put image inside of this, and for the image we will upload this, like a pause button and then play button and stop button. So we'll upload pause, so that we'll upload play. After that, the last one will upload stop button. And next, for this one, the left side will put a left button. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, left button. So next, you go to layout again, and in general, take a space, another space in here, and then for the space is width, should be filled, I don't know. Okay, never mind. For this one, the width should be like that, and then, oh yeah, for horizontal alignment, maybe this one go to center, and yeah, go to center, and then next, you just copy this one, the image, move to the center. After that, for this one, will for the image, it will be play button. And yeah, after that, don't forget to change the name, like play button, and then this one, uh, pause pause underscore button. And next, we just copy the space, move to the, oh my god, move to the right side, and then copy again the image and put on the right side. Yeah, for this image, the last image will be, it will be stop image. And yeah, don't forget to rename it again. It will be stop button, stop button. Okay, uh, that's all for the UI. And next, we will go to the what's the name? The block code. Okay, for the block code, it will be simple block code like this, the example. So only for block codes. And yeah, let's go. We will make it. So the first one is control. The first one is pause button. When pause button click, for pause button click, uh, wait, I forget something. So we will need to add something like this player. You just put it over there, and then for the second one is sensor. In sensor, no, not in sensor. I just search it, notifier. Okay, and put it. And then for the search form can be 100. And next, we will go to the next one. Okay, the block code. We continue again. So in here, we just put the notifier. Uh, because this is pause button, so it will be uh, player one, call player one, pause, and then next notifier. Take this. What? Wait. Where is it? Show alert, notifier, show alert, notice, and then next we will go to the text. After that, uh, drag that one, and then uh, type this audio is pause. Then next, we just copy. My God, we just copy it again, and then change it into a play button. Yeah, and then next, oh, we'll change it to a stop button first. So we just delete this one, and then go to the player one again, and then in here, uh, take the call player one stop. And next for this one, we just change into stop. Just change audio stop. Okay. Okay, we just do like previous one. We just do copy again, and then for this one, it will be play button, and for this one, just change it the name playing. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not audio. It can be audio or radio, so it depends on you. But I will choose radio. Okay, next. For this one, you just delete it and then take another one. Start, call player one and then start, and then go to player one, and in here, uh, take this one, call set player one loop two, and then change the loop into search. Then next, copy the text. And for the search, yeah, you can take from YouTube link or what. So yeah, the important is the link for the what the name is the link for the songs like this, or no, not like that. Yeah, like example like this, like this, not like that. Okay, we just go to here, and uh go to this one and take the link, and then just put over here. Just put over, where is it? Here. Okay. And then after that, for the last one, it will be what is it? Screen one. Okay. When screen one back press, then he will do player one, and then stop, stop, and then call player one stop, and then after that go to control and close application. Okay, that's all for the code. Is simple. Yeah, and this is for the UI. Okay, maybe that's all. from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.